Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to make an old fence look like new again? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to walk you through a quick project of how to take an old, tired fence like this and make it look like brand new again. The neighbor's putting up a brand new fence, showing me up a little bit, so I got to come out here and clean it up. So we're going to show you how this is done and walk you through step by step on this simple project. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to kind of clean the fence, get rid of some of that mildew, the green algae, all that mold, whatever you got on here. Now this fence is really old and dirty and everything else. So you can use a hand pump sprayer, or in our case, we're using a battery powered sprayer from Bauer, which works pretty well. Hold on just a minute while we take care of the dog. So what is in the sprayer? Well, mainly we're just using Simple Green. Simple Green is a good cleaner. It's versatile. It's good in the environment. We like using it. We're not sponsored by them, but we like Simple Green. And if you want to follow up with it with some bleach, you can also do that. What we're going to do is we're going to spray this fence and just give it a light coating of the Simple Green. And then what that's going to do, let that soak in for about 10 minutes. And then we'll come over here and we'll wash it off. But you just want to be nice and uniform and just kind of cover the fence, especially the darker areas. And what you'll see is it'll start to lighten up right away on some of those areas of mildew. We're going to give the whole fence a quick coat, and then we'll come on back out here and show you the next steps. Stay tuned, and while you got a chance, hit that like button and put any questions you got in the comment box. So you can see from just the spray, it starts to eat away at some of that mold and mildew right away. So it'll start eating away at that, and you just keep coating it, and then we'll rinse the rest of it off. It's been about 10 minutes, and you can see that a lot of the mildew and whatnot has already lightened up quite a bit. You could hit this with another coat. You go ahead and just rinse off with a garden hose, and then you could leave it either lighter or stained, but that's not gonna be like new. We wanna go like new. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with a pressure cleaner using a turbo nozzle. And if you don't have a pressure cleaner, you can rent one or borrow one, but that'll really help to clean it off. You'll see a little bit of the soaping suds from all different cleansers, and it's gonna be really clean. So stay tuned. We'll show you some of it while we're cleaning it, and then we'll show you that finished product, which is gonna be amazing. Like new again. We promise you we'd make this like new. This old fence looks like we just hung it up today. This is about a 20 or 30-year-old fence. Looks just great. Not a hard project. Definitely something that you can too. You can knock this out. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you want to stain it afterwards, you could too. It's continuing to dry. The mold's gone. It's going to look good for a little while. So appreciate you tuning in. Again, be sure to like, comment, most importantly, subscribe for more great home how-to tips and tricks. And hope you enjoyed this video. Like I just said, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.